Park, strike, come in, check, cut the leg. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is butterfly sword application dealing with a long pole. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the buttons, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So butterfly swords against pole technique. So here we're gonna line up, okay? Keith's gonna be in his pole series. From here, I'm gonna left side neutral, so we're cross arm. Keith is gonna come with a thrust. I'm gonna step off the line, and my Wu Sao hand here is gonna box out, and I'm gonna trap here. I'm now gonna step up with my left and attack his hand. From here to dislodge the pole. Take another full step forward, take a arm down here to the elbow to pin, and then come in and strike and cut the leg. So again, when he comes in, I'm gonna park, strike, come in, check, and cut the leg. Lift, arm to the fingers, come back, arm to the elbow, arm to the leg.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.